Okay, so right now I am fixing me and Sin's bio. Here I am going into our bio. I'm just gonna delete the click here thing and I'm gonna fix it. Oh, what did I do there? We're gonna find the font that I want. Here I am just finding the font I want. And then I don't ask why I'm so quiet, by the way. It's because of my brother. Here I am finding the dividers or something, and then that's the one I'm using currently. And then I put click here. That's my grandpa. Then I am going to go here, and I'm going to put another font thing. Oh. Yeah, right there. I'm going to put a font. Don't ask about all my emojis. I'm going to put another font here. Just give me a second. I was messing around because I have ADHD and it happens. I was stimming. Here I am going to find one of the other dividers. And then I click on that one. And then I do the same thing. There we go. And then here I am doing this. Putting another one right there at the center. And so it's green. And then yes, our goal is 20K. Then I'm just trying to find something. I'm trying to find something to put. Here I find all these loading data things, so I'm gonna change the click here thing, and it's gonna be really cute. Here I'm just fixing it. I'm gonna put the please wait, or the loading data one. And then there's Sin texting me. And then here I am putting the thing again. The divider.
What? How?
That's my brother. And here I just have to find one. So I use the moons. And there's Sin texting me again. Then there I mess up the word boundaries. And then here I am doing the same thing. Oops, I put the wrong one. So then I delete that one. And then I put the correct one. And there I am messing it up again. So here I go fixing it again. And then look at that. And then that's our little bio. And then here I am, just going to the dividers and like the thing, and finding one to use. And then that's our bio. Thanks, bye.